Honey Bunnies, it's Miss K. I wanted to connect with you guys about the answer to this problem. There's actually two answers. There's one for each of the concepts that we just reviewed prior to the guided notes. The first concept is perimeter. As you know, you find the perimeter of any shape by adding up all the sides. So we're going to add up these three sides, and it's going to equal up to 43 feet, okay? So when we add up those sides, we're going to add up the like terms. We have a 5y, a 10y, and a 6y, and that's going to make 21y. Then we're going to add up the integers. I know that the positive 3 and the negative 3 are going to cancel each other, so all I'm left with is positive 1, and that's going to equal up to the 43 feet, which is perimeter. When I solve it out, I get 21y equals 42, divide by 21, and you get y equals 2 feet, to be specific. If I use that information, I plug it back in. Over here I have 5 times 2 plus 1. That's going to be 11 feet on this side. Over here I have 6 times 2 plus 3. That's going to be 15 feet on this side. And over here I have 10 times 2 minus 3, which would be 17 feet on this side. So my triangle is 11 feet, 15 feet, and 17 feet on all the sides. Now the other concept that we talked about in this problem would be angle measure. All right, and the angles of this triangle are measured at 7x minus 15, 6x plus 25, and 4x. As with all triangles, these three angles are going to add up to be 180. So when I add them up, I'm going to get 180. Let's go ahead and add them up. I have a 6x, a 4x, and a 7x, and that's going to make 17x. Then I have a 25 minus 15, which is 10. Perfect. A lot of you can probably tell what the answer is going to be finally. Minusing the 10, and you get 17x equals 170. Divide by 17s, and we get x equals 10. A nice, easy number. I will say, sorry, I accidentally cut that out by accident. I guess when you circle something on here, it wants to take it out. I will say that x is technically 10 degrees. That's our unit for angle measure. All right, so if I plug that back in, up here I'm going to have 7 times 10 minus 15, which means that, oh, that's a beautiful 15, isn't it? Which means that that angle is going to be 70 minus 15, that's 55 degrees. Over here I have 6 times 10 plus 25. That's going to make this one 85 degrees. And in this angle right here, I have 4 times 10, which is a nice, easy 40 degrees. And that's how you do that one. Bye, honey bunnies.